Hello everyone. So this is Samarthan sir again in front of you. So today I'm going to start with the first chapter from your political and social life, class 8. So in our previous classes we already completed the first chapter in geography. So today I'm going to start with the very first chapter, the Indian Constitution. So in this chapter I am going to explain a very brief of this chapter. This is the first part and I will continue. I will do the second part also. So the Indian Constitution. Okay. Actually, first of all, let us know what Constitution is. There are certain rules that have been defined for certain things. Like as you can see here is example of football. So like in the game of football match, if you hold the ball with your hand, it will be taken as a foul. You will be given a red card, because holding a ball with your hand in a football match is not in the rule of football. So similarly, if you are a student and if you are going to school and you have to wear a uniform, that is the rule for all the students. So in the same way, in any country there is a certain rules and the regulation are being formulated. If the rule is in a written form, is a constitution. What is constitution? A brief summary. A constitution is a set of rules that guides how a country, state or other political organization work. Constitution help us to understand what should we do or what are the things we have to follow. Okay, so here you can see, why does a country need a constitution? So why does the country need a constitution? First thing we have to note that here in the first line, as you can see, all democratic countries have constitution, but not all countries with constitutions are democratic. Okay, today most of the countries in the world have a constitution. While all democratic countries are likely to have a constitution, it is not necessary that all the countries have a constitution are democratic. Means all the countries or all the democratic countries have constitution, but not all the countries with constitution are democratic. There are also still some nations which have constitution, but they are not democratic. But all democratic countries in the entire world will definitely have a constitution. Will definitely have a constitution. So why do we need a constitution, or why does a country need a constitution? Let me tell you. Okay, first of all, it gives us the ideals of the nation where we plan to live. Means it lays out the certain ideals that forms the basic of kind of a country that we as citizens are inspired to live in. A constitution is usually made up of different communities of people who share a certain beliefs but may not necessarily agree on all the issues. So a constitution helps to serve